and welcome back to Total Evelyn and Happy Easter. That's why I'm wearing the bunny ears, I'm not just wearing them for nothing. And today, since it's Easter, I have a special guest with me. Oh, here's a bunny. Hello, Ellyse.
Hello.
Say hello to everyone. Hello. What are you going to make for Easter? Apart from eating all the sweeties, because we bought these ones, which I love, my favourites. These ones. Lint's chocolate. You like them ones? Yeah. These ones, mini eggs. Yum, 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 yum. Did you make this? Let me see one. Where's it from?
Hobbycraft. Hobbycraft from the fort.
Hobbycraft from the fort. So what do you get for your money and what do you pay? How much did you pay for that? Or did you not pay anything, you just got it from your mum? You don't care about the price? No. It's called the Bumper Craft Set. And inside it has lots of little pom-poms. Put it on your nose. It's actually for your bum. Put it on your bum. This is gorgeous. I love this. Now that's the bumper set. And that is a little basket. And inside the little basket we have beautiful colours.
What's your colour? My one's purple.
That's blue.
Blue.
I like the purple one.
I
Can I
like
have the
this
purple
one. I like this one.
Oh, wee bunnies up. Isn't that beautiful? Where would you hang them about?
Anywhere.
Bunny tree. Did you make a bunny tree? So who are you making your card to?
Mysterious.
Oh, it's a mysterious card. We celebrate Easter and we give each other eggs. And I got a beautiful egg from Ellyse and Aaron. The Smarties, because I love Smarties. They're not as big as they used to be, but I can't wait to eat it. What else did we get? We got
Lots of stuff.
a mini Barbie and stickers. It's an excellent little gift. Could you pass that over to me, Ellyse? Oh!
It's the terrible. There we go.
The Barbie one! Is that an egg?
No.
What is it?
Barbie stuff.
That looks like an egg. Can we open it?
No.
Why?
Okay, open it. I want to see what's inside.
You want to open it first? You open it.
Yeah.
Scissors? Watch your fingers.
Dun dun dun.
Is that an egg?
Dun dun dun.
Oh my goodness, look at the size of that! Wow,
Ah.
it's a big egg! That's amazing! Oh! What's inside?
Nice chocolate.
You need to pull that out. Oh,
Barbie.
it's a mini Barbie. You're enjoying that, aren't you? What do you normally do on Easter Sunday?
Hide eggs.
You hide the eggs. So all these little eggs can go in the basket. You put this on first. Just put some of this in.
And then when you find the egg,
Like
you crack
this.
it.
You crack it.
Mm-hmm.
Do you put all this in? Which ones? Put a little bit. Show me what you would do.
Half.
Huh? You want purple? Ouch! Okay, so is that the nest?
And the next
I've
one.
never seen a purple and pink nest before.
Oh, yeah.
Have you? Okay, so that's our little baskets, and inside the baskets we're going to put some eggs, okay? So egg, and we'll have a few eggs in each basket. A few rabbits, maybe? Another one. These. Oh, there's more eggs, look. These little, you're going to colour these eggs in? Okay. Maybe if she stops eating the chocolate. I think we could stop eating the chocolate now and do the eggs. Okay. Oh, is it glitter? Glitter. The pens here, we've got the pom-poms and we've got these to make nice little flowers. I think this was an excellent gift box, wasn't it? And it's out of Hobbycraft and I think it's good value. Under £10 for all that. And inside you get all these little sequences. Oops. And we have some eyeballs for the eggs. Are you going to put eyeballs on these eggs? Did you just make a flower? Show me. Show me the flower. Show me the flower. Oh, that's so good. How did you do that? Is it easy?
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
The green leaf, tie it in a knot.
Yeah, you've got to show the video, look.
Tie it in a knot.
Tie it in a knot.
And then when you've done a knot, you do it again and again and repeat it.
Uh-huh.
And then you get a yellow part for the nectar.
Yes.
And then you do a circle.
Who's under the table? Who's this? Oh my goodness!
Alan.
Where did you come from, Aaron? And do you know what? He smelled the egg. Did you smell chocolate? Did you now? Oh my goodness! That's because Ellyse has been eating her egg. Your present.
I'll have to open it.
Ellyse cut it up. She'll do it for you. Watch your fingers. Do you like chocolate, Aaron?
I love fizzy juice.
Fizzy juice, that's not good for you. You don't get fizzy juice in Nana's, do you?
You got a plastic cup.
Wow.
There you go.
Did you know that was going to be a big egg? Did you know that? No. Are you surprised? Do you love it? What's inside the egg? Oh no, don't do that, because if you did that, what would happen to the chocolate? Then you'd have to clean all the chocolate up because it would go on the floor, wouldn't it?
Just keep them right there.
Oh!
Help me!
Help me! Ellyse, let me see.
Chocolate!
It's chocolate, yay!
Hello!
Oh wow! Oh, how did you got my present? You gave me an egg.
Yeah, but what are?
Did you get me another present?
That's a nice.
You don't like the chocolate? Thank you very much.
Hello!
I've got an egg.
What's inside it?
It's a Ferrero Rocher. Whose favourite's Ferrero Rocher?
Me!
Oh, mine!
Why's it gold?
It's all gold. It's in a plastic. It's a nice gift.
Let me crack it open.
Let's see, it doesn't crack open. How'd you get it out?
I'll do it. Sis.
I know. You've got,
Oh, just crack.
well, it's chocolate though.
Can I have it?
Oh my god, wait a minute. I would think get a bowl. Just that plastic tub. Pop it in there. Right, put it in there at least.
I just ate it. I see what's inside. Come on, bite. Hey, guys.
Oh! It might be very difficult to break.
Ta-da!
Oh! Inside.
That's for us. That's for us.
That's inside the egg. Is
That's
the
for
Ferrero
us. No,
True.
that's for us. That's for us.
Rocher. No, that's for me.
That's for us.
No, you bought it for me.
No.
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 Did you buy it for me or you?
Us.
Oh.
Now that part. Which part?
You have that one. But not just now. Actually, you not eat too much chocolate, no?
Bye.
Right, off you go. We'll speak to you in a minute. Under you go. Off you go. We're going to make a little egg and we're going to put eyeballs on them. With these. What would you do with the pom-poms? You could put a pom-pom on there. You could paint these. You could colour these ears in as well. You could do all sorts of things.
Take this chocolate away from me.
I think we should take the chocolate away from you. Oh, I forgot about the rabbits. We have little rabbits here. Little bunny rabbits. These are my favourite. So much chocolate. And that's the thing with Easter, is that's what you do. You play and you make things. You boil up eggs and then you paint, because there's some nice colours here. Like these colours. Are you eating my chocolates? That's mine! Give me my chocolate back. Greedy. That's chocolate sauce inside. Now more chocolate. Okay, are we all done here? Are we finished? So on Easter Sunday we will be colouring in these eggs, and we'll do boiled eggs as well, and then we'll be doing the Easter egg hunt, and we'll hide things. We'll get lots of sweeties because we've got lots of sweeties in here. And these are only £3 for £1, these little sweets.
Well, that's what I'm going to end up eating them.
You're going to eat them? Not today.
Start now.
You start now. I suppose what you do at Easter time is just eat and have a little bit of fun, yeah?
That's fun.
So I'm taking my hat off now, I'm finished. So I'm going to eat these. Give me that. I'm my favourite. I love these, they're my favourite. Beautiful. Okay guys, that's what we do at Easter. I hope you have a really good Easter.
We usually go to Nana's church when Grandpa and Nana got married and roll eggs.
You go where?
Remember, we used to play the eggs and hide them at your church.
In the church. In the church at Joppa. We go to that church, don't we? And there's a big hill, and then we roll our eggs down the hill, and then we search. And one Easter, what did happen to you, Ellyse? What did you do? There was other people that were doing a little Easter egg hunt as well. And what did Ellyse do?
I didn't know.
Ellyse didn't know, but she was actually finding someone else's sweets. Now she's all embarrassed. She found all the sweets, and someone shouted, "It's okay, you can keep them." You did.
No, nobody was there.
Man was there, he said,
Shut your gob.
I've just shut my gob. Okay. Oh, I never noticed these. You can colour in these as well.
I don't want to colour that one in, but he's doing cash in,
So that's a really good pack for under £10. And it's from Hobbycraft.
Ow.
So I'm all Eastered out. I'm going away now. And I hope you enjoyed the Easter video. Oh, it's just now starting to paint. Are you going to paint my face?
No.
Time to go, guys. Until next time. And hopefully, will you join me again? Would you like to join me again? Yeah. I think you're going to see more of Ellyse on YouTube. Until the next time, please join us. And
Press the notification bell.
yes. And hit subscribe first. Hit subscribe.
And like.
And like. And
When you did that, comment.
share.
Share and then comment.
Share and comment. Please. Say please. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye.